I've tried playing it cool, but when I'm looking at you, I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You keep making...
Una-una, earn up to 50% discount from all our products. Number 2, you have a tremendous business opportunity na pwedeng part-time or full-time.
So far, this has been the most saleable product na minarket ko. Ito lang yung kumpanya na ang lakas ng full prospecting. Tao na yung pupunta ng opisina, may dala ng pera, ready nang magpa-register, ready nang bumili ng product.
Basta napabili mo sila ng isang banig, pero diretso na. Bumabalik talaga sila. Na-try nila kasi yung product na maganda talaga. Marami nang kukuhin. Marami na talaga. Promise.
Parehong yung part-time. Kada misis ko nagtuturo. Pero pag Monday, nandito kami para gawin yung business.
Banding time din, nakasama. So that's why we really like the business. Kasi dito rin namin nakikita that in the future, we will be having our time freedom as well as of course being wealthy and healthy as well.
Kahit anong background nyo, pwede po kayo sa Santay International Business. At higit sa lahat, tremendous po at unlimited po ang income potential ng negosyo natin dito sa Santay International.
Mas maganda yung nangyari sa akin kasi sinisweldo ko ng isang linggo, isang araw ko lang nakukuha. Tulungan din namin, sa bahay siya, ako dito. Sa aming dalawa, sa loob ng 3 buwan, kumita kami ng 150,000. Kasi hindi naman namin kinikita dati yun eh.
11 months pa lang ako sa Sante, malapit ko nang ma-hit yung aking first million. Despite of, hindi man ako nakatanggap ng mataas na edukasyon, wala akong diploma, wala akong master, wala akong PhD, wala.
Income ko dito is 104,000. 1 month lang yun kinita.
Neto na yun.
Neto na yun.
Regardless of your gender, regardless of your religion, lahat binibigyan ng pagkakataon talagang kumita at pabago ang buhay.
Pag sa pinasok mo, kailangan kapalit ng trabaho. Kasi kung hindi mo sa tatrabaho, hindi ka na makikita. Pero dito sa Sante, napakabilis kumita.
Number 3, you will have your own personal business website na pwede nyong i-monitor lahat na nangyayari sa negosyo nyo, whether nandito kayo sa Philippines or even abroad.
Ito yung mini-mentor ko, si Leader A. Gusto kong malaman yung progress niya. Tama ba yung mentoring ko sa kanya? Katulong ko, special tools ko system. Titingnan ko lang yung account niya from my genealogy. Tapos lahat na ng detalye. Pwede ko na makita. Right at the comfort of my room. Just click lang ako. Grabe. Paperless. Wala na akong kailangan bookkeeping na gagawin. Wala na akong accounting. Everything is provided. Everything is in place electronically.
May downline ako sa ibang bansa, Saudi. Pero nakakapag-order sila by online, ha? Ito yung account ko. Ibig sabihin, kung mag-order ako, pupunta sa other transaction, tapos mag-order placement ka. Kung ano yung orderin mo, by online, makikita mo dyan. May nakalabas na price na yan, SRP ko namin. Pero pag nag-add to cart ka, kung bibili ka ito, wellness, 3+1 namin. So yung promo ng company, pupunta ka ng cart, ito po yung original price na talaga, distributor price. Instead na 2,700, 1,800 na lang babayaran mo.
Number 4, meron pong mga aspeto ng negosyo na pwede nyong gawin through texting. Kahit nasan ka, tuloy-tuloy po ang negosyo nyo sa Santay.
Saan tayo hahanap ng isang company na gigisingin ka? Like, katulad sa akin ngayon, I'm doing this. But kagabi, tinext ako. Iti-text ka ng system. Congratulations, you have a bonus of 3,000, something like that.
Pag may commission ka ngayon, nasa bahay ka, iti-text ka ng system. Gusto mong withdrawin yung commission mo, i-command mo lang ngayon, iti-text mo rin. Tapos, bukas, pagising mo, yung commission, nandun na sa ATM mo.
Number 5, as an added value service, we have our air load distributorship na pwede ka magbenta ng kahit anong load sa mga kaibigan nyo. Number 6, being a member of Santay also means you are a member of the big league. There are 4 ways to earn sa Santay International. Number 1 is the retail bonus. Bibigyan po kayo ng up to 50% discount on subsequent purchases of Santay products and services. Number 2 is the fast start bonus. Ding makaka-invite kayo ng kaibigan na bibili ng pure barley pack. Bibigyan kayo ng company ng 300 pesos. Once na bumili kayo ng pure barley package, the company will be giving you a business node. And all you have to do is build 2 teams. the left and the right team. Ibig sabihin lang po, mag-invite ka lang ng at least 2 kaibigan. You put one on the left team and the other one on the right team. Once na meron ka ng na-invite sa left and sa right, you call that a link. And for every link, the company will be giving you 500 pesos. The moment your 2 friends are able to invite 2 friends each, you will earn additional links. And sa infinity bonus natin, you will earn up to the infinite level. Every time na may pumasok sa left team at sa right team mo, whether ikaw nag-invite o hindi, the company will give you 500 pesos. Our 4th way to earn is the Builders and Executive Bonus. Every time bibili ng products ang members nyo under your organization on a monthly basis, you will earn a bonus. Let me explain this to you through a very simple simulation. Let's say you have invited 5 loved ones, and let's call them your first level. And your first level members are able to invite their own 5 loved ones. You now have 25 members on your second level. If everyone will do the same, meaning bawat isa ay nag-i-invite ng tagli-5 loved ones, you will have 4,096 people up to the 5th level. If everyone ay bibili lang ng isang kahon ng Sante Pure Barley New Zealand, you will be earning 79,200 pesos every month. But remember, in our Builder's Bonus, you get paid down to the 10th level. And in our Executive Bonus, you get paid down to the infinite level. Now, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano nyo makukuha ang inyong komisyon sa Sante International. Ang Builders and Executive Bonus ay makukuha ninyo monthly. Yung Fast Start and Infinity Bonus ay makukuha nyo naman ng araw-araw. Meron ng monthly income, meron pang daily income. There are 3 ways on how to get your commissions. Number 1 is through wire transfer. Pwede nyo pong i-transfer ang inyong komisyon from your Sante online account to your enrolled bank account. You can choose from BPI, BDO, or China Trust. Second, you can also request for a commission check. Or, third, you can request for an electronic money, which we call League Wallet. In Sante International, we have prepared something special for our deserving distributors. Una na dyan, ang promong milyonaryo.
Sa promong milyonaryo lang ng Sante, on top of my commission, monthly commission, I was able to get 2 Lenovo laptops, 1 iPad 2, and 1 MacBook Pro.
Ma-avail mo siya kung meron kang 75 pairs that you get from 2011. So, ito yung nakuha namin from that.
Kaya pumasok ako sa Sante, after 1 year, nagkaroon ako ng magandang income. Tapos, after 1 year din, binigyan ako ng award ng company na brand new Mitsubishi Montero. Tuloy-tuloy na yun. Hanggang nagkaroon ako ng brand sa Antipolo, nakapag-invest ako ng brands doon, $500,000. Hanggang ngayon, yung income ko, grabe na yung pasok.
Sa promong milyonaryo 2011, nakakuha ko ng 5 Lenovo laptop, 2 projector, 1 iPad, 1 TV. Pinumahan ko pa yung equivalent ng ka-incentive. So, in principle, halos 2 kotse na. So, di ba?
Lord, gusto kong bigyan yung wife ko ng 32 inches na TV. Pero Lord, hindi ko bibilin. Kasi hindi yan ang priority ko. Ang priority ko ay yung pag-aaral ng 4 kong anak. Etong good news. Last January, because of Sante International, promong milyonaryo, binigyan ako ng company ng 42 inches na TV, flat screen, na may kasama pang home theater. Walang binayaran kahit 5. Nakuha ko ba yung dream ko? Dampas pa. Tama?
Ikalawa po, ang biyaheng milyonaryo. Kaya ang suggestion namin, ihanda mo na ang passport mo because in Sante International, you will be traveling around the world. O diba? Ganito lang kasimple magnegosyo sa Sante International. Biyaheng milyonaryo, panalo to!
Siguro kung tatanungin ng income ngayon na hindi nangyari sa akin bilang empleyado at hindi rin nangyari na nagnegosyo ko dito lang sa Sante, ang income ko ngayon, nag-average ako ng mga 200 to 250,000 a month.
Ngayon po, wala na po akong utang. Nakabili ako ng lupa. May bahay na ako, may sasakyan, may motor. And savings. Pinakamasarap sa tao na may savings ka. Yun ang sinishare ko palagi na learn the value of saving.
2010, umangat yung income ko. 2010 din, same year, tinamaan ko yung ka-incentive program nila. 2011, nag-times 7 yung income ko, dire-diretso. And 2012, going 7 digits na. So, sobrang ganda.
11 months guys. Toyota Fortuner. Ibang klase na to. Kanto na sa pangarap, na-convert namin sa goal at naging mas posible because of Sante International. Nagsisimula pa lang ako. Marami pang susunod.
Bonggang-bonggang bonuses at incentives na naghihintay para sa mga members ng network system ng Sante International. At alam niyo bang walang kahasel-hasel ang pag-check ng mga kinikita ninyo? Dahil ito sa kanilang state-of-the-art na The Big League Electronic Business System or e-Business System. Ano nga ba ang The Big League e-Business System? Ito ay ang technology kung saan meron kang sariling personal business website. Dito maaari mong i-monitor kung magkano na ang kinikita mo at ang network mo. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, basta't merong internet connection. Hindi lang yun. Ino-notify ka via text kung meron kang bagong nakukuhang bonuses. Ang galing, hindi ba? Dahil importante kayo sa Sante, sinisiguro nila na kumpletong-kumpleto kayo sa lahat ng tools at knowledge upang yumaman. Para i-discuss pang maigi ang e-business system, narito si Mr. Joey Marcelo.
One of the strengths of Sante International that set us apart from other companies is our powerful electronic system. Our members worldwide can access their business via their personal business website. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga members natin can order products online and even pay it using their credit cards or pay it using an electronic money system na ang tawag po natin ay Ligwallet. Yung mga members din po natin can register new distributors, browse their genealogy, disburse their commissions, and even transfer cell phone loads and other prepaid load products to their friends and family members. They can also monitor the performance of their business and a lot more right at the comfort of their homes because of this very powerful online system.
Habang ginagawa ko ito na masaya ako, pinapadali naman ng management yung trabaho ko. Dahil ipoprovide naman nila special tools because of the system. Kumbaga sa timpla ng kare-kare, lalong na-perfect ngayon yung timpla ng kare-kare. Ang galing. Ang galing. Kaya, this is it. Ito na talaga.
Pero hindi lang po yan. We also have an SMS system na talagang tuwang-tuwa po ang mga distributors natin, not only in the Philippines but distributors all over the world. Because using this SMS system, they can be updated kung magkano po ang kinikita nila sa Sante International. And in fact, pag naka-receive po sila ng text message, all they need to do is simply reply, given a set of parameter, at yung pong commission nila can be transferred immediately to their bank account. We are so excited because we do believe that we have the best system so far in the industry. And let's face it mga kapatid, this became possible because of the partnership of Sante International with a world-class IT systems provider, the Big League Enterprise Incorporated. The Big League created a unique and powerful system that will revolutionize network marketing. The Big League created a convergence of different network marketing companies under a single umbrella. So meaning, if you're a member of Sante International, you're an automatic member of all of the companies inside this umbrella. So what's the advantage if you're a Sante member? Simple lang po. You can now buy the products not only of Sante, but of the other companies inside the umbrella of Big League at members price. And the good thing is this, if all of your distributors in your organization will also purchase the products of those companies, you can also benefit from their compensation program.
Let's say you have 10,000 people. Can you imagine? Stable na income ko kapag gumagamit sila ng barley. Tapos, ang gaganda pa ng produkto ng iba't ibang kumpanya under Big League. Pag in-introduce ko, another income na naman, next level na naman. So, alam mo, sa sobrang excitement ko, saan nakikita ko yun hindi na residual income. Ang nakikita ko ngayon, residual momentum.
Kayang-kaya mo talaga umasenso, pero sa pagpili ng networking company na sasalihan, ano nga ba ang dapat ninyong tandaan? Lagi niyong isipin ang Fantastic Four. Kasiguruhan sa kumpanya, kagalingan ng produkto, kagandahan ng compensation package at teknolohiya sa pagnenegosyo. At ang Fantastic Four na ito ay matatagpuan sa mapagkakatiwalang Sante International. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Simulan ng palakasin ang inyong katawan at pakapalin ang inyong mga bulsa. Ako si Kuya Kim at maraming salamat sa panonood ng The Sante Barley Solution. Ang kakibat mo sa magandang kalusugan at pagnenegosyo. Ano? Handa ka na bang maging healthy milyonaryo?
Gusto kong yumaman, maging milyonaryo at matupad ang pangarap ko. hanggang susuko. Kayang-kaya nating lahat umasenso. Konting kilos lang, konting sipag lang, tagumpay ating makakamtan. Dati nakatungo, ngayon taas no. Buhay milyonaryo, panalo to. Santa Cruz Valley ang pag-asa ko. Buhay milyonaryo, panalo to. Santa Cruz Valley